The Chinese New Year is an occasion for family reunions with millions traveling during the Spring Festival rush. Behind this massive movement of passengers are the dedicated maintenance workers who stick to their posts during the holiday. Wan Haobai, the foreman of the maintenance team at Langfang EMU Depot in North China's Hebei province, is one of these unsung heroes. For 31-year-old Wan, conducting late-night health checks for high-speed trains has become routine. This year's task is particularly challenging as the newly opened depot is experiencing its first Spring Festival travel rush. However, years of rigorous training and hands-on experience have ensured Wan and his team handle the challenge with confidence and precision.
日复一日就重复着做相同的工作，细心的去对待每一份任务，包括对车上部件的螺丝或者是螺刷，每个细节我们还是保持着高度的热情，保障列车的运行安全，保证每一位旅客能够安全到家。
A record-breaking 9 billion trips are expected to be made during the 40-day Spring Festival travel rush in 2025 that will end on February the 22nd.